Updating your billing address with St. Mary's Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Log into your online banking account. Visit the St. Mary's Bank website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your personal information. Step 3. Select billing address. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instant alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter new address. Input your new billing address in the designated fields. Make sure to double check for any errors to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new address, look for a save or update button. Click this to confirm your changes and ensure your billing address is updated in the system. By following these steps, you can easily update your billing address with St. Mary's Bank. Keeping your information current helps ensure you receive important communications and statements without any issues.